So I think for most of this video, I'm going to be that creepy guy without a head, but at least you get to see the whole cornhole set. So recently some friends and I got together and made some cornhole sets, and the theme is portability. I mean, we've got kids, minivans packed. If we're going to take it somewhere, it really needs to be lightweight and as small of a footprint or space consumed as possible, yet still be official American Cornhole Association regulation standard size. So 2 feet by 4 feet, 6-inch hole. This end 2.5 to 4 inches off the ground. This end 12 inches off the ground. You know, we don't want to be playing on anything other than regulation size, of course. So we're going to stick with those dimensions and see how we can make it lightweight or compact from there. This is designed to use a 5x5 sheet of Baltic birch, so you can make both sides with one piece of plywood. As an added bonus, it can contain a washer set as well. The way we went about it was to make these nests together. They're both the same size, but they have notches here that allow the opposing board to match up and fit right in there with them. Now the legs just slide in like this. So that's all there is to the setup of the board. And they have a router pad on the angled side to prevent it from sliding on hard surfaces. And the other side is unangled for kind of digging into the ground a little bit better. The washer sets nest inside of here with these little scrap pieces of plywood, so they don't move around. Plastic outdoor carpet, so if we get caught in a rainstorm, not a big deal. The washer sets are made out of 1/4-inch Baltic birch plywood. The back is cork, which is lightweight and will absorb some of the impact of the washers hitting it if we make it in the first place. So anyway, that is the setup, and it all fits together Now this one has something a little extra special. The holes in the side, they're there to reduce weight. They don't affect the structural integrity of this thing. They do make it kind of a pain when you shoot a nail and it goes, sticks out of the hole. But it doesn't save a lot of weight, but it does add up when you consider there are 80 holes drilled in the set. The main benefit, I think, is that it gives a natural place to grip onto this thing. So it's not pleasant to pick it up. This is an awkward angle, but it's doable. And this includes the whole set with both sides. It includes both washer sets, all 8 bags, 1-pound bags, all 8 washers, these heavy things. And it is something that can be picked up by one person. So I'll post the 3D model and the cut list online so you can make your own or improve it however you see fit.